A highly manipulated market today. We have seen that Bank Nifty and Nifty. This is the chart of Nifty. Nifty broke out in the morning. It was a buy. We made money. Half quantity was exited over here, and then it went up. And the next half, somewhere at around this spot, so we got a good profit in the morning. Then I went off and I asked you guys not to trade, and this is what happened. Exactly at 11:30 the market started coming down, and from there we got an impressive downward movement of more than 1.5% in Nifty, that is 236. Highly manipulated market, and a pump and dump is taking place. People are making money who are trend followers. I believe they are making tons of money over here, because I think at this spot they would have also gotten a sell signal. It came down beautifully. Now again at a very crucial time of, let me show you when it started rising, when these candles started forming. Exactly at 1:30, when the UK market opens, the market boomed, and from the previous support over here, so this was somewhere we got some amount of support. It bounced back and went again to a positive territory. Now it's trading at a positive territory, and that's the story about Nifty. Coming on to Bank Nifty, I guess we would be seeing a much more interesting story. And it did not make it to the low, but it bounced off from near about this demand zone, and this was a false break right over here. I don't know whether you could be able to detect this. It's a false break. As soon as it broke, it recovered, and if you were holding your stop loss, or if you were in the trade, then as soon as it was crossing this level, you have to exit your position. But yeah, the demand zone did hold up quite nicely. Coming on to Bank Nifty has given, I guess, a bit better momentum. Now it's going up again, taking some amount of resistance at 33,239 levels, still going up. So highly volatile market, and we have seen one directional market in Bank Nifty. Let's just check out the points. We got a buy over here in the morning, and we got a total of 1.4%, that is 480. Exited half quantity at 0.89% or 0.9%, and then exited the other half at this resistance, which was a really nice profit for the morning. Then what happened? Exactly at 11:30 we got a sell with this candle, and all those people who had sold Bank Nifty, they could have gotten, so half quantity should have been exited at about 1.3%, that is 344 points, and the other half at this level, because I don't think that most of you could hold your position above this level, but still it's good. If you had held your position till this level, then it's more than enough, or maybe till this level where your trailing stop loss would be hit. So that is 1 point minus 1.25% or 416 points, which is okay, not bad. And then the recovery, let's just see the recovery. It happened exactly at 1:30. All right, and this is when Nifty also started bouncing from its place. So it's very important to keep both the charts uh, together and check what's happening. Nifty also started bouncing, and it did not reach its previous low. its supply zone was here somewhere, but it bounced off from here, which is 32,663. Now it made a red candle, and who knows, it might come down even badly. So highly manipulated market, up and down movements, but all of these move are, I don't think they are sustainable. This sell, although it looked like a really nice sell because of the price action it created a nice price action over here. It went down, came up, went down a bit, tried to come up, went down, came up, went down. So this price action is nice, but this one, this I think hit many people, and they had lost all of their profit if they wouldn't have exited from their position. This is the point where you exit from your position. And in expiry, these type of manipulation, it's quite common. And I think it's going to be a volatile session for a couple of weeks. We are going to stay at 32,000 and 33,000 range, where buyers and sellers are constantly fighting it out with each other. The call option, which was at 40 rupees, it went to 370. It made a high of 370 at around this place. And the put option, which was at 140, this put, so that made a high around 500 something levels. So more than uh, quadrupled some of your money. But all those people who had taken the position in the wrong side, I hope you had exited, because you would be in a huge loss, right? Anyways, I hope that now it's better that we don't trade because the markets are again slow, and not lose all of our capital.
Of course, this research is that government is now lagging rather than leading.
and now it's just going up. Maybe there was some news exactly at 1:30, but just going through the news, I didn't find anything positive. I don't know what exactly happened. क्या खा लिया यहाँ पर कि it's just going up, and none of the resistance is actually causing any difference. But Nifty, it's trying to reach its day's high once again. It's quite impressive, whatever is happening. What I feel right now is that there's a high chance that it'll become volatile. There's a high chance that it'll become, somewhat like this, and do some type of dancing over here to eat the premium, because the momentum already happened, guys, and it's better that you exit from your position if you have any position, and call it a day. If you had taken a buy over here, then better right now you exit. You got your points. Don't do revenge trading. If you are in a cost to cost zone also, it's better, because I am expecting Nifty and Bank Nifty to be, become a bit volatile over here. It had been extremely trending. This, I have never seen this shape. You can call it an N shape, N N shape, and I have never ever seen this shape in my entire life. The way it went up, it came down, now it went up again. So amazing. N shape recovery. And there's a high probability that it might even break the all-time high the way it is going, but I am not expecting anything right now, because the momentum has already happened. All of the banks, they have earned a lot today manipulating the market, and a perfect end shape. That's what I told you, it might be volatile. It's a very There's a very good chance that it can be volatile right now. Highly manipulated market, Indian market is. It's very easy to manipulate owing to the small amount of funds that we have. Anyways, better that I don't sit over here. If you see this video, then you will get to understand why this expiry was extremely manipulated. Okay, basically just to wipe off all of the retailers and earn a big sum, and create a highly volatile market, and also in somewhat a trending market if you are a trend trader. So yeah, I hope you have made profit, and even if you didn't make a profit, you have exited at cost to cost, and just turn off your system, because that's the best thing to do in these type of scenario. Okay, so yeah, I'll meet you next time. Take care. Bye.